Hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Journey with Kitania. Welcome to Kitania's Kitchen. My returning viewers and those who are viewing for the first time, it is a pleasure to have you watching. Today we will be making stir-fried chicken. So here we have 2 large chicken breasts and we'll be cutting them into strips. Remember to like, share and subscribe. So here our chicken is washed in vinegar and lemon juice and cut into slices. So here we have added some seasoning to our chicken. We have added 1 tablespoon all-purpose Maggi seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and some garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoonful. We're going to also be adding 1 tablespoon corn flour and we're going to combine all into the chicken and leave to marinate. For 30 minutes. While the chicken is being marinated, we're going to be preparing our vegetables for the stir fry. It is optional how you slice your chicken, so you can do them in cubes or strips. Also, it is optional the type of seasoning you add to your chicken. It's more of a preference thing. So now we can leave this to marinate. We have placed our pot over high heat. Now we are going to fry our chicken for about 5 to 8 minutes. You don't want to dry your chicken out, so just turn them from side to side until you are done. So our chicken is fried and all nice. It is smelling so good. We're going to take this from the pot and then we're going to be adding our vegetables. So here I have prepared the vegetables that we will be using. We have red, green, and yellow bell peppers, some carrots, red onion, garlic, and some broccoli. So we remove some of the excess oil and we are going to be sauteing our garlic. We'll be adding our carrots. We'll now add our red, green, and yellow bell peppers and our onions. This is smelling really good. Then add our broccoli. Going to stir fry this for another minute or two. We want our vegetables to be crunchy and nice, so we're not going to be overdoing it. Now we can add our chicken. Looking really nice and it smells really good. We're just going to be adding a little black pepper and some salt and a little garlic powder. Now add our sauce to the stir fry. So I've added 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark sauce, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of Scotch bonnet sauce. It's gonna be a little spicy and also some tomato seeds. So for your sauce, you can do your variation. And I've also added a little corn flour. Wow, look at that. Now we'll be covering our pot for a minute and leave it in. Just checking our pot now. Look at that. Smelling so good. This is really nice. Now we can go ahead and cook. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Chicken stir fry.